Hi, I'm Jesse with Mastercam, and today I want to show you this really cool pneumatic radial engine that the students at HVCC, Hudson Valley Community College, their manufacturing program, they put it together. It's a really neat assembly that all the students, they collaborated on different components and put this thing together. It runs off of compressed air. There's a valve on the back that regulates the amount of air that comes into the engine. So I just twist that valve and the engine will start. And then I can vary the RPM of the engine anywhere from 75 RPM all the way up to 3,000. The students even installed some really neat red and green LEDs on the front. You can turn that on the switch here. So this year's project that Hudson Valley Community College completed has really just blown us away. This engine is phenomenal. The machine work on it, what the students have put together, really a testament to the program at HVCC.